Sack my sing! What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Emotion back with another video, man. So today's a little rainy day, so you know, decided to go get some tints with my brother and my cousin out in Maryland. So you know, just gotta get some content for y'all, cause you know I ain't posting like 2 weeks. I've been grinding. I got some parts on the way, got some stuff on the way that's about to make the bill go crazy. My channel about to go crazy once I got these videos out for y'all. You know, as y'all know, we're in the M today. About to go fill up in the gas station. Cause you know, this thing it's a little gas guzzler. Make my pockets hurt, but you know, feel me, smiles per gallon. So we're on the way to the gas station right now. We 3 cars deep, you know. Got a G37, 335. You know, and the big body M is a leader, you feel me? Got my homies behind me. So, once we get to the gas station, I'm tapping with y'all and show y'all the whip, show y'all what we got. So, with the gas station with it, big body M, not the little one. Bro, I did a little license plate mod, but it fell off, bro, so I ain't even tripping. About to put that big body 87, you know. I'm tuning on 87, you feel me? 93? Yes. That big body 93. No, it's 335 right here. This is a joint out of my channel that I was rebuilding, but I ain't never uploaded no video on it. I mean, I uploaded a video, but this the dumb result. Give that little. That joint looks sweet though. I got the little bro on the whip. Now, that joint looks sweet. M Sport bumper. I'm gonna eventually do the M Sport rear bumper, but we gotta get it tinted up. You got Simi right here in the G, you know what I'm saying? Dude's putting 87 in the G. That's a bad look, man. Dude putting 87 in the G. What's up with you? 87 in the G is crazy. 87 in the G is crazy. But you know, we got the whips lined up. You know, we got that big body in G37. Jeez. YouTube on the way. Yo, that's your hard though. You got the little, what rims are these? The G37 coupe? Yeah. For real? Yeah. You got the little G37 coupe rims on it. Fitment looking nice in the back. I'd say go a bit lower, but it's about to look crazy. It's cold, bro. Big bar life. He's rich guy, man. Rich guy, man. But you know what I'm saying? About to go crazy. Wow.
An emergency or something. It says like we closed for emergency.
Dang. Yo, my joint was only 50. I think it's trolling because ain't no way. It's 51. I was close to empty. 51. Oh yeah, it's full. $51. That ain't bad. We back on the head mount with it. Damn, there's traffic. I'm about to give you a little pull off the ramp, but it is what it is. I don't know. But you know, this car been treating me good though. Like, I really enjoy this car. Like, I enjoy every aspect of it, how big it moves, beefy. Like, it's a car. Like, when I'm at Q50, like, I was impressed. Nah, like, I'm not gonna say I was impressed, but when I first got it, like the pedal, like the steering and the mechanism was just like, it wasn't beefy for real. So I was like, am I really gonna enjoy this car? So I'm like, yeah, probably because it's not tuned, but nah, traffic is crazy. But I was like, yeah, because probably not tuned. So I don't know. Dang, she sound good, bro. Wait till the mods come in. I ain't gonna say too much. I'm just gonna come out with the vids. Like, this traffic is crazy. You know what I'm saying? Traffic is real crazy. He's following me, so I gotta make sure everything cool. But ain't really nothing going on right now. It's just traffic. But how y'all been though? You know, chilling. I know I've been lacking on y'all. I gotta get some videos out. I'm depending how I want to drive with my drive style right now, but you know, think I just want to go. I think I just want to go. I think I just want to go. Feel me? Caught up to little bro right here. You know, he moving nice in that 335, but you know, we can't wait in traffic. That joint look clean. That joint look sweet. He chilling. You know, he ain't really into all that driving. He like that little calm. Ain't nothing wrong with that though. Safe driver, but you know, when this traffic clear up, I'm gonna turn the camera back on because I ain't no way I'm just gonna give you a little video straight in traffic. So no copyright, don't copyright me, please. But we know we moving in traffic. Traffic cleared up a little bit. You know, I'm smoothing down the highway. I'm recording, yeah, I'm recording. But you know, bruh, I promise you now, we sat in traffic for like 30 minutes. It should not take that long, bro. The place, like, on a good day traffic moving nice, 30 minutes. 30 minutes. I'm just sitting in traffic bumping my tunes, so you know, I wasn't even tripping for real, but like it's a whole bunch of trucks on the road. It's a whole bunch of trucks. Like, you see what's going on? Like, you see all these gaps? It's crazy, man. Like, we still 35 minutes out from the shop. And now he's getting back to see even more traffic. It's wild to me. Like, dang. I can't like get a smooth session in. Like, just we chilling though. But we getting back in some traffic, so I'm gonna just probably cut the camera on when we get to the shop. Or if it clear up, you know, I'm gonna have the camera back on because I don't want you just watching me sit in traffic all day, so I don't know. Alright, YouTube, we pull up to the spot. Bro, we're in traffic for mad long. I ain't even gonna lie, bro. It's a nice bro. I should give you a little pull right here, you know. Not too much, not too much. But you know, we put up to this tent spot. An hour later, seeing all that traffic. But you know, A1 tents. Damn. You see, put my car right here real quick, hop out, and get to business real quick. So you know, we're at the shop. A1 tents. Got the V's lined up. Nice little fleet. So we about to do this 335 first. We'll do that car first, but if you're in the DMV area, just make sure I type in right here. Be sure that name. A1 tent. I've been going here for like 4 years now, 4 or 5 years. So you're gonna be right every time. It's a little bit right here. What about I get 5%? He not playing. Yeah, his little off right there. But got the X5M, nice. G37 right here. Guess you about to back it in. He about to go 5%. That joint about to look crazy. Now I got the Red Sport right here, Q60. Nah, you should see this joint. I guess his man's bought it. He about to fix it. The red interior go crazy though.
I should trade the GM.
For this? You would do it?
Nah.
I would. It's a Red Sport.
Nah, they just seen some things, bro.
Yeah, it was a stolen recovery. Yeah, someone stole it. How many miles it got on it? I don't know. Huh? That junk crazy though. This joint hard. Q60 Red Sport. Joint looks like it's been through a whole bunch.
Yeah, I figured it had to come out. Yeah.
I told you I can see it from over there.
That's cheap tint.
So I just been on it. Like after a while, the sun just started making drawing it down.
Yeah, I just bought it so I can.
You say you get 5 on that. Who's going to get? You get 5.
Bro, I get 5%. Go crazy.
15 all around the side of the back, and I want 35. Okay. You give me a price for that?
Yeah, I'm about to get it to you.
Appreciate you.
Go crazy.
I be trying to look out for my man. Your joint, 120.
The price went up. With a spot. It's gonna look like I'm shooting now. With a spot, bro. Just order some breakfast. Bro, my quality look crazy right now. The lighting's bad, but with a spot. It's like a little deli drink. You know, some food. Bacon and cheese with some French toast. Feel me? You know what I'm saying? You too. Look over in the trap right now. I ain't gonna lie. Got the little French toast right here. Boy, crushing. He ain't playing around. Eat that shit. He ain't playing around either. Got the bacon and cheese right here. Got the lemonade. Facts. I'm about to cook this. Like, I'm about to go crazy. Like, I'm about to eat this drink though. Oh, that joint was blue. 95% don't look bad though.
I gotta do the back glass and that don't let me finish.
That joint don't look bad. That joint don't look hard. That joint don't look that bad, bro. Saying you should have went 5. I mean, you doing your windshield though. You doing your windshield, so it should be dark.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah. That's kind of hard though. What you think, bro? What you think, bro?
Shit look nice, man. Shit look nice.
Yeah, clean, bro. Chrome delete next. You know anyone who do Chrome deletes?
Ow.
Yeah. Give me a shot with it. About to drive an hour for the fade, bro. To get a free demo.
Both of y'all play ball? On football?
Shot, bro.
Alright, fellas. One for everybody real quick, just in case y'all come through. I got you. I'm lights. Oh, my man got the camera shit here.
For the YouTube.
You already know. Do that, B. That's what it is. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So you hold on. You shoot footage?
What happened?
You shoot?
Yeah. I'm a photographer too.
What you do more?
Yeah,
I might need
I do
you.
everything. Yeah.
Put my cell on there. I gotta put my cell on there. God damn it, hold up. I gotta put my cell on there. Because I might pay you. Because you know what I'm getting ready to go into? I haven't done all of my footage and I need somebody to shoot me. But I want somebody that know what they do. A lot of times you get your man to do it, he don't hold the camera right, the angle, and like, nigga, get the sneakers from the top. You know what I'm saying? All of that shit count when you in this field. I would like, you know
You
what I'm
gotta
saying?
get Instagram. You gotta follow me too, though.
Yeah, Slim, I'm gonna do that right now for you. I got you, Big Slim. I got you. You put my name on it. Yeah, we're gonna make this shit fizz out. I'm gonna spend some money with you. See what you got and shit. Because I wanted to take some personal pictures and spice up the whole website and the whole Instagram page. It's all about that presentation. I got a card?
Yeah.
Here's what I got. You got a drone.
Now my man's do though. I can get a drone.
Hold on. This is what I want to do with the drone.
Anything you need, I got it.
Let me tell you what I want to do with the drone. And tell me this. I had another nigga. You know who I had filming for me?
Who?
Meeks Mills, man. He came to my shop. He does all the, when you see Meek Mill now, he's doing all the footage for him. He's out of Baltimore. The nigga name is Calvin, right? Mr. Calvin, he's doing the shit. But he brought his drone. I'm over by, on the southeast side, and the drone started in the shop, and before we could make it to the door, that shit cut off and wouldn't cut back on because of the airport restrictions. So is your man shit, is it boot? Is he got it
I
like
think
jacked?
so. I don't know.
I need a shit that's jacked. Or already bootleg, like hot, so you can run this shit. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
because if not, they got them plane restrictions where it won't fly.
Okay.
But the shit I want to do with the drone is different. See how all these niggas is just taking regular pictures? I want the drone. My shop is so ill. I want the drone to fly in the shop, start from the back, then swing through like this in the air. Bam, bam. Bam! You know what I'm saying? Come on out, come out the door, then go around to my mural on the side of the wall, and then take that shit up in the air, like, and then reverse it. So when you click my web link on my Instagram page when I put the post,
You get to see the
you
whole
just get to
shot.
see all that shit where it comes from the land, from the street coming. You know what I'm saying? But there's restrictions with them drones. Some niggas, the jail broke them drones, where they don't fuck that restriction. It should still work. That's what I'm looking for.
Yeah.
Get me one of them niggas. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna do that and have that shit to where it show, and then I'm gonna start my page. You know what I'm saying? And my whole shit, like, don't give your man my shit. Don't give him my idea.
Alright, I got you. I got you.
Like, my theme song, like, hold on, what's my man name? The nigga Deion Sanders? Prime, you know, Prime. What's my theme music? My theme music is cut it. You gotta get your shit cut it. And every time you hit it, it go right to a nigga theme. Cut it and a bam. You feel me?
Bam.
You see the idea? You see what I'm going with, right?
Yeah.
Boom, that cut it shit is strong. And I'm gonna just break that song up, and that's gonna be to the website. and then some of my posts, not all the posts, because you gotta constantly hit them posts over them. See how you look at the film? See how you wanna, that's the type of shit I need. I need a nigga to hold me down, so when I'm right there, bam, and then I'm gonna be like the liaison model, so I'm kinda like, I gotta get rented out with all the CO shit on and get real crazy. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm representing the whole shop. But we gonna pop, y'all. You hear me? You know what I mean? All my brothers say, where y'all from? Y'all niggas ain't all black or African American. Somebody got a little African in them or something.
I'm Haitian. We Haitian.
I'm getting out of here, kid. Get the fuck up out of here. My niggas is Haitian.
We got y'all next time.
We got you next time. We got you next time, bro.
Y'all come see me. Come to the shop. I already feel the energy. It's my man. It's my people. So y'all know what's going on. I'm out of here like last year, nigga.
Nah.
All right? See me, man. Come see me. All right? I'm going, D.
We're not turning on YouTube. We back. Nah, it's 5%. It don't look too bad though. Like I thought it was gonna look like you know, like it don't look bad on the car for real. I feel like I gotta come back and get the windshield done. Do something with it. Chrome delete tomorrow. You about to go crazy. You better order the black grills cause you lacking. Yeah. Chrome delete tomorrow. Newer rims. Nah, these rims gotta go though. It's cold, bro. It's raining. X5 parked though. I need a car wash. I'm about to hit the crib. Alright, yo. Gotta hit the crib. Do something. Probably play with my car, do something. But you know, alright, yo. But you know, that's it for the video. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna drop some shit. Stop looking at me like I'm crazy, bro. You looking at me like I'm crazy. Yeah. Like I'm crazy. But you know, that's it for the vlog. Catch you on the next video. Stay tuned to more content. You feel me?